In front of me is Nevin phone 4A, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by launching Play Store to download free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluids Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, tap at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent, and my favorite part, use this gear at the top left corner to check out all of those options and manage them however you want to. You can check out Preview at the top. After creating perfect wallpaper for you, I will go with this preset and adjust it here. Click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then select Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. Click on Home Screen, Lock Screen, or both. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back. You can always change your wallpaper and create another one the same way here. Then apply it how I just showed you. As you can see, in my case, after a few seconds, my wallpaper is already done and applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!